Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a paper and draw the branches of the tree on it with the black marker like this. Now after that we have to take the colorful clay balls, put them one by one over the branches to make the leaves like this. Keep decorating it till the end and it's done. Now you can make the grasses with the help of the yellow clay like this and spread it with the help of the comb or the hands like this and it's done. Next, take a paper and take a tissue paper like this. Now fold it from the between and then you have to make a rectangle shape. Cut it from the between like this with the scissor. Now we have to cut it from the top as well and then you have to cut it from the between. Now take small pieces of it and then you have to color it like this. Put the dots over it and then you have to put the blue dots as well. Now after that, take the yellow one as well and then fold it like this. Keep folding it as shown in the video and then tie it from the between with the help of a yellow color clay like this. Press it and put them and your chocolates are ready. I hope you liked it. You can make the candies in the same manner of different colors like this. Next we have to take the colors like this and make a cross and then you have to spread the water over it so that it gets spread and then it will look like a flower. Repeat the process like this to make a tree. Now you can make more flowers like this and then after doing it with different colors in the same manner, you can choose different colors as per your choice. You have to draw the stems and leaves of them. Make the leaves like this with the green marker over it and put the water over it as well and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next we'll be taking the green color marker to draw the grasses and then with the yellow color we'll be putting the fingerprints over it like this. Now after that make more leaves as shown in the video and put the petals like this. Now you have to put little bit lines on the sides with the black marker. Draw the leaves and grasses and it's done. Next, moving forward, we'll be taking a blue color paper like this and then take the tissue paper and then cut them into small pieces. Take the clay, make a ball. Now make the neck of the swan. Put the pieces of the tissue paper inside it like this. Spread it and put it one by one like this. And then make one more as such in the same manner and put it. Now draw the water lines on the downside. Make the trees and leaves on the top with the help of the clay balls like this. And your beautiful art and craft is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, take the clay and then spread it with the fingers to make the flowers. Put a yellow color clay in the between and then make few more as such like this. Now using green color marker, we'll be drawing the stems and leaves of the plant. Make its leaves like this and it's done. Moving forward, we'll be making these gloves. So for that, we'll be needing a blue color and a black color marker first to draw the gloves like this. Draw a pair of gloves. Now after that, with the blue color, we'll be coloring it. So make the patterns inside it and then you have to cover it like this. And you have to color it very carefully. Now after that, fill it with the blue color, yellow color and different colors of your choice as shown in the video. And your gloves is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making these beautiful flowers. So take a paper and then you have to fold it like this. Now cut it. Now after cutting it, open it and you will get a flower petals like shape. Now fold the petals of it and put it like this. Now after folding it, make few more as such and paste them. Make these stems and leaves with the green marker and it's done.